Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Twilio Verify for OTP mobile login. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Twilio console. Navigate to the Validate section on the left sidebar. Click on Verify to access the Verify dashboard. Create a new service by clicking on the Create Service button. Name your service and configure any desired settings, then click Create. Once your service is created, note down your service SID displayed on the dashboard. Next, you'll need to install the Twilio SDK for your programming language of choice. In your project directory, run the appropriate package installation command. For Node.js, use npm install Twilio. For Python, use pip install Twilio. Once the SDK is installed, open your code editor and create a new file. Import the Twilio library at the beginning of your file. Initialize the Twilio client using your account SID and auth token. In the main function, set up a route to accept mobile numbers from your users. When a user enters their mobile number, call the Twilio Verify API to send an OTP. Use the client's verifications.create method, specifying the user's mobile number in the verification channel as SMS. Handle the response and provide feedback to the user about the OTP being sent. Next, create a function to accept the OTP entered by the user. Call the verification_checks.create method to validate the OTP. Check the verification status returned in the response. If the status is approved, log the user in successfully. If the status is not approved, inform the user of the failure and prompt them to try again. Consider implementing a retry limit for additional security. Make sure to handle error cases, including invalid mobile numbers and Twilio service errors. Finally, test your implementation thoroughly to ensure a seamless user experience. Your OTP-based mobile login with Twilio Verify is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.